This automatic car wash is for sale in Ocala, Florida, offered by Tampa Commercial Real Estate, www.tampacommercialrealestate.com. Located on the corner of 62nd Court and State Road 200, Ocala in Marion County, just south of the major shopping area and between two Publix supermarkets. The aerial view shows the exceptional visibility and frontage that this 1.9-acre property enjoys. A constant stream of traffic, 37,000 cars per day, passes property. The large pylon sign contributes to the excellent visibility of the site from State Road 200. The automatic conveyor system exit is adjacent to the waiting and reception areas. View the side of the building vacuum area. The comfortable outdoor waiting area allows customers to relax while their car is being cleaned. Another view of the vacuum area and the side entry to the building. At the rear of the building is the detail bay with two roll-up doors and the entry to the conveyor tunnel. Notice how much additional land there is along State Road 200. Perhaps room for another commercial user. The interior of the detail bay, which at one point had a lift for oil changes. Running alongside the length of the automatic car tunnel is the automatic fluid feeding equipment and compressors. The automatic car wash system appears to be in good condition. Windows from the interior allow customers to view the progress of their vehicle. The reception area is bright and spacious with room for retail sales. The staff have access to a kitchen area. The administration area has room for 2 or 3 desks and has a bathroom and shower en suite. There are 2 additional handicap bathrooms for customers. Contact Stephen at tampacommercialrealestate.com. 1.92 acres and 4,446 square feet. This blank enclosed car wash is a great opportunity.